Xbox is preparing to shut down or sell at least 3 of its studios: Double Fine, Ninja Theory, and Compulsion Games. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Ninja Theory employees were informed that the studio would be closing. The team is attempting to find a buyer that can keep them operational. Ninja Theory is the studio behind the Hellblade series, and it was featured in the recent Xbox Summer Game Fest showcase, revealing a new entry due in 2027. Double Fine is the legendary studio behind the Psychonauts game, Brutal Legend, Broken Age, Keeper, and all manner of LucasArts adventures. Double Fine leaders are in active negotiations to buy themselves back from Xbox rather than be closed altogether. Meanwhile, Compulsion Games is in a similar position. It's a studio behind uber-stylish games Contrast, We Happy Few, and South of Midnight. It was reported that several other studios under the Xbox Game Studios banner are also negotiating for their futures and are at risk of being shut down. The Xbox Game Studios covers dozens of studios, including Arcane, Bethesda, Halo Studios, Playground Games, ZeniMax, and Activision Blizzard King. Microsoft's game studio acquiring spree began in 2018 with the purchase of Undead Labs, Playground Games, Ninja Theory, Compulsion Games, and The Initiative. This continued at a concerning pace in 2020 and 2021 when Xbox acquired 8 more studios under ZeniMax Media. Everything came to a head in 2022 when Xbox planned to purchase Activision Blizzard for $69 billion, the largest acquisition in video game history, and that deal finally went through at the end of 2023. Since the acquisitions, Microsoft carried multiple massive rounds of layoffs affecting thousands of employees in its gaming division and also shuttered well-known studios. Now, unfortunately, Double Fine, Ninja Theory, Compulsion, and the others are at risk as well. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.